SEO, or search engine optimization. For so many, this word is complicated. For some, they rather just avoid it because it is very difficult. They don't understand it and they feel it's just better to just leave it. Today we want to understand what is SEO and how can you get started with search engine optimization. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel, and today we shall be looking at search engine optimization. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our videos that we release almost every day. Remember to like and share the video, and let's dive in to understand what is SEO or search engine optimization and how you can apply it to your business to grow traffic to your website and of course make more money. Now, SEO or search engine optimization is simply optimizing your website or a web page to be able to appear on top of search engine results. All right? Whenever you go to Google to search for a particular keyword, when you key in that keyword and press enter, websites are going to pop up, right? And you're going to see a list of websites. Those websites that you see on the first page, they have optimized their website for a particular keyword. Let's take for example, if you go to your Google search and type digital skills training in Abuja, you're going to find out that the number one website is our own website, Digital Skills Academy. That's Windows Digital Skills Academy. That is because we have optimized our website to rank for the keyword digital skills training in Abuja. So SEO helps you to get what we call organic traffic or free traffic from Google search or that search engine. That increases the number of people coming to your website, helps increase your domain authority, help you make more money because more people visiting your website will definitely lead to more sales and of course more money. Now, there are several categories of SEO. We're going to look at them one by one. Number one is what we call on-page SEO. On-page SEO is simply optimizing your page, that particular page, for a particular keyword, right? That is done within the content on your website. So you optimize the content of your page focusing on a particular keyword. That way, when anybody searches for that particular keyword, that page of your website pops up. And of course, if you do that very well, you're going to get a lot of traffic. Because of having done that, more and more people will come to your website whenever that particular keyword is triggered. Number two category is what we call off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is basically, as the name sounds, is off-page. It's not on the website. It's basically the things you do outside of your page to build authority and trust that will lead to what we call backlinks. That is, links from other authority websites pointing back to your website. For instance, you may have a relationship with maybe somebody, a publisher, maybe an authority newspaper that publishes online content, right? Maybe you do a guest post for them and they are able to link that post published on their website back to your website. Now Google takes note of that, and as a result you can get, your ranking can increase, because the more authority backlinks you get from other authority websites back to your website, the more Google is going to increase your ranking on the first page. So off page is basically what you do outside to build authority and trust that will lead to more higher ranking on Google's first page for your website. The third one is what we call technical SEO. That is basically preparing your website, optimizing your website in such a way that search engine can crawl and index your website without any issue, right? That is, you're talking about things like the structure of your website, how easy it is for people to navigate your website, and of course, how easy it is for your website to load. That's the page speed. How long does it take your website to load? I'm sure you have visited some website that when you click a button, you just see the mouse rolling, right? How do you feel? You feel frustrated. What do? You bounce out. So that affects the SEO of that particular website. So if your page loads very fast, it will help search engine to be able to know that yes, you have done a good job on your technical SEO, right? Your website is very fast, the navigation, the structure is very easy for search engine to crawl the website and index it. Then finally, we're looking at what we call user interaction signal, right? User interaction signal is basically the signal that the search engine gets on how people interact with your website. For instance, if somebody lands on your website, maybe triggered by a particular keyword, and they bounce out almost immediately, that means they get to your web, let's say they type digital skills training, right? And they get to the website, and the website does not have the information they are looking for, and they bounce out within some seconds. That signal will tell Google or the search engine that that particular page does not have the information the user is looking for. That will affect the ranking of that particular page. But let's say the person gets to your page and he finds the information he or she is looking for and spends some time consuming those content. The signal it will send to the search engine is that, oh, this page has the correct information, and the person that can now increase the ranking of that particular page for that particular keyword. Okay, so these are all you need to know. These are some of the things you need to know about SEO. So getting started with SEO is simply taking note of everything I've listed. So if you want to get what we call free traffic or organic traffic, SEO is the way to go. So it's one mistake I see many business owners, small business owners do is that they build websites, but their website does not take note of SEO. That means they've not optimized their website pages, right, or their posts to rank for anything. They just create content and dump the content on their website, thereby not getting enough free traffic, for their website. So many people just depend on, doing advert, paying money. But if you want to get something that we call long-term, because SEO is actually a long-term process, right? It takes a while for you to start ranking, but the beautiful part is that once you start ranking, you start benefiting from it almost on a continuous basis. And one beautiful thing about it, you don't need to do anything again, right? Unlike the paid parts, where you have to continuously pay money to advertise every other month. On SEO, once you start ranking for a particular keyword, you practically do nothing. You just see, people, free traffic coming to your website as a result of that keyword, and you don't have to do anything. All you have to do is once in a while, you can update the page with new information. That's keeping the page updated so that it will remain fresh, and people will keep spending time, keep consuming the content, and search engine will be happy to share your page with those looking for information regarding your keyword. Why? Because you have the information, you have the content that people are looking for. All right, so this is all about SEO. So if you want to get started with SEO, start with narrowing it down to keywords, right? You do a keyword research using some free tools, and the best of them all, of course, is Google Keyword Research Tool. So you can use that to get keywords that people are interested in line with your area of business, your industry or your niche. Get the keyword and create content around that keyword, right? Optimize the on page, then of course build authority and trust by your off page activities, right? Then make sure you do your technical SEO by ensuring that your site loads very fast. For instance, optimizing the images, making sure that the image is very light, right? Reducing it, using web format for your images instead of using the JPEG or PNG. Use the web format, right? Make sure it's in kilobyte, very little. Make sure it's not heavy. Then the structure of your website, the navigation, so that when people come there, they find information very easy. So you do your on page, you do your off page, you do your technical SEO. Once you do that, you can now wait and see. After some time, that particular page will start ranking on Google. Once it starts ranking, you start seeing traffic to your website. And of course, it will keep getting better and better as more people discover you, as more people discover your content, because as people are searching, Google is showing them the best, the most valuable content. And if that is your own, of course, that will lead to more traffic, and of course, more traffic will lead to more sales, and more sales will lead to more money. As usual, I'm sure you've gotten value from this video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, remember to click that subscribe button, and of course, like the video, share the video, and if you have any comments, you can use the comment section, and I will see you again in the next video.